town X, okay, it's 240 kilometers away from Y. Okay, Wendy left town X for Y at 9 a.m. So Wendy starts off at 9 a.m. Okay, at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Sandy left Y for X 30 minutes later than Wendy, so she must start at 9:30. Okay, so at this 9:30 a.m. time, okay, this is Sandy. All right, so we can draw another Wendy over here at 9:30. So show the time frame. Okay, this gap can be found using Wendy's speed. Okay, so between 9 to 9:30 a.m. only Wendy is moving, so she covered a distance, okay, which is speed times time, kilometers times half an hour, so which is 30 km. Okay, now this makes this portion here where they started at 9:30 a.m. to be 240 minus 30 km, which is 210. Alright, so we are also given that the Sandy, okay, will cover the entire 240 kilometer distance, okay, within a certain time. So the time taken can be found from the difference from 12:10, okay, between 12:10 p.m. and 9:30, because Sandy started off later. Okay, so we go straight to finding the average speed. So Sandy's average speed will be the total distance over the total time. Now the total distance is where she covered from town Y to town X. Okay, so which is 240 km. Now the time taken, alright, so the difference between 9:30 and this 12:10 p.m. Okay, 12:10 p.m. So we use the calculator. This symbol here, alright, represents the hours and degree and seconds. Okay, so this one would show you the hours and minutes. Alright, so 12:10 p.m. we can take it as 12 hours 10 minutes. Alright, so minus 9:30. Okay, 9:30 means 9 hours 30 minutes. So 9 hour 30 minutes. Alright, the first square here you see, okay, represents the hour. The second one represents the minute. So it's read as 12 hours 10 minutes minus 9 hours 30 minutes. Okay, and you press equal, this will give you 2 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, the third symbol represents the seconds, but it's not needed in this question. Okay, so it's hours, minutes, and seconds. Alright, so to convert this into hours, okay, you can just use the fraction key over here. So just key in, and it will give you 2 and 2/3 hours. Okay, if you want to key back into hours and minutes, you can press this again. Okay, hours and minutes, convert to hours, convert to minutes. Alright, so dividing this, okay, right, that will give you a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, and part B asks what time would the two cars pass each other. Alright, so two cars started at these 2 points at 9:30 a.m. So they're going to cover this distance 210 km. Only this 210 km, okay? Because you have already considered this 30 km, okay, head start by Wendy. So this 210 km will be the gap. So the time taken for them to meet. Okay, counting from the 9:30 a.m. onwards. Okay, would be the distance 210 km, this gap, divided by the speed. Okay, the sum of the speed for Wendy and Sandy. Okay, so Wendy is given speed is 60 km per hour. Sandy's speed found in part A, 90. So the sum of speed, 60 plus 90. Right? Because every hour, Wendy covers 60. Sandy covers 90 km. So they are closing up this gap, 210. So every hour, the distance that covered by both of them will be a sum. Okay, and this will easily give you 1.4 hours. Alright, so you can use this to convert back again. So convert in hours, you just press this fraction key, 1 2/5 hour. Okay. Now the question asks what time. Okay, not the time taken. So what time will they pass each other? They started at 9:30. Alright, so this can be converted back into hours and minutes. This one is converted to hours. Okay, 1.4 hours or 1 2/5 hours. You can press this key to convert back into minutes, hours and minutes. So pressing this key will give us 1 hour, 24 minutes. So the time when they will pass each other will be after this 9:30 a.m. So simply just take 9:30 at 1 hour and 24 minutes. Okay, can simply be done by pressing 9 hours 30 minutes. Okay, 9 hour 30 plus 1 hour 24 minutes. Okay, 9:30, 9 hours 30 minutes plus 1 hour 24 minutes. Key in the equal sign, and this will give us 10 hours 54 minutes, which represents the time. So 10:54.